Jambo, welcome back to this tutorial. We will be speaking about entering text. Take an example. We are going to use the already saved workbook called main workbook, and we are going to create something of value, like let's say a personal budget plan or something. Okay, so there are three different types of data that Excel supports. One of them is text, the other one is numbers, and the third one is images. It also takes in shapes and etc., but I just mentioned the three major ones that most of the people use in handling Excel or handling their data through Excel. So I'm going to show you how to first of all enter things like dates, then numbers and text and etc. And the first thing is, since we've agreed we're going to create a personal expense plan, personal budget, and just say personal budget, just like that. And a budget has cost items as an example, and the months start there. So first thing, let's do a quarterly budget. That's 4 months, because a year is made up of 12 months divided by 4, that is 3. So January to April, so can type in January. And the beauty about Excel, instead of typing here February, then March, blah blah blah, I can just type in January and drag it, and you can see it's giving me highlights to show me where we've gotten to. Alternatively, I can just put in Jan. Okay, Jan. Excel still understands, and voila. Okay, then here we are going to have total. Then here expense items. Actually here it should be items. Then here expense items. So you see expenses, so electricity, water, internet. Okay, later we're going to learn how to format this text, but for now this is how it is. Okay, so you've seen this is how you enter the text. It's just typing it in. If I want to put in the numbers, you can see can put in 120, 400, 600, and that's how it is. Of importance is to show you or to highlight how Excel can handle both text and numbers, because most of the data that you're going to put into Excel are either text or numbers. Is most of the times, if not all, the text by default is aligned to the left, and then the numbers by default is aligned to the right. It just assists you to see by visual, to see and to look at your sheet and know this is a number and this is a text, depending on how aligned it is. Okay, so I'm going to just put another line here just to do subtotal as an example. Okay, so we have the quarterly totals here, and we also have the subtotals per month. Okay, cost for the quarter per expense, and then total for all the expenses per month. Okay, let's build on this worksheet as we continue through the series, but I hope you've learned that text is left aligned, numbers are right aligned, and you can put both text and numbers in a cell. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one, where we'll be entering more numbers and delving into numbers in depth. See you then.